Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through Videonystagmography, or VNG. VNG tests are used to assess the functionality of a person's vestibular system, which is responsible for balance and spatial orientation. The VNG test is carried out by wearing special goggles that track eye movements, while a person performs various tasks that stimulate the vestibular system. The test can help diagnose a variety of vestibular disorders and determine the extent of dysfunction. The test is typically performed by a healthcare provider, such as a neurologist, with the specific test provided to determine whether a person is experiencing vestibular dysfunction symptoms that may indicate additional treatment. If you have symptoms such as dizziness, vertigo, or nausea, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional who can perform a thorough evaluation and recommend the best course of action. To complete the testing sheets, fill out all the questions with the answer options of yes or no, and look at the following interpretations on the right. To use the templates in Carepatron, click on the Templates tab. There you can filter by assessment and by community to view our entire assessment collection. If you'd like to find the notes faster, type in the keywords VNG. Click on the template by selecting the Choose Template icon and then select your client. This will bring up the Draft tab where you can edit information, clicking Publish once complete.